Hi! Are you an online marketer struggling to make a consistent income? Do you find yourself working long hours without seeing any real results? Meet John Smith. John is a successful online marketer who has been in the game for over 10 years. However, he was still struggling to make a consistent income until he discovered our AI software. The AI software has been a game changer for me. It has helped me to optimize my campaigns and target the right audience. As a result, I have been able to increase my earnings and make over $30,000 per month. Our AI software uses advanced algorithms to analyze data and optimize your campaigns in real time. It takes into account factors such as ad placement, audience demographics, and keywords to ensure that your campaigns are performing at their best. The best part about the AI software is that it's so easy to use. You don't need to be a technical expert to get started. All you need to do is input your data and the software takes care of the rest. With the AI software, you can track your campaigns in real time and make adjustments as needed. You can also monitor your competitors and stay ahead of the game. I would highly recommend this software to anyone who is serious about making money online. It has made a huge difference for me, and I know it can do the same for you. So, if you want to take your online marketing to the next level and make over $30,000 per month, click here to watch the software in action.